Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and hope you all are doing great. So in this video we're going to discuss about the last 1 month study strategy for the upcoming MHCET examination 2025. And this 1 month is a very crucial time and it's your duty to utilize this time in a very effective manner. Your priority should be revision, your priority should be practice, and your priority should be previous year questions, and all this together done in a very systematic manner will help your dream of 99 percentile come into a reality. And remember, toppers are made in the last month, so make sure you are utilizing this time to the fullest, right? So in this video I'm going to talk to you about the strategy, the mindset, and how you can make potential use of the last 1 month. Before I get started, I want you all to know about the free demo class that we are conducting. So this is a new 1 month crash course that we are launching for the MHCET examination, but there will be a free demo class on 1st March, that is tomorrow, at 5 p.m. Okay, this is going to be a free demo class, the link to which is in the description box. There's a Google form that you can fill, the link is in the description box, so that we can send you the we can send you the meet link, Google Meet link for this free demo class. So if you all are interested, I would suggest all of you to fill in the form and join this free demo class that is going to be on 1st of March at 5 p.m. Right, so now let's get started. Very important, as I always say, is the right strategy. You need a right strategy because very simple, a smart plan will give you better results in less time. The major challenge that you have is time. You have, like, just as I said, almost 1 month for your exam, and you need to use it effectively, right? So you need to plan, you need to have a correct smart plan, right? So what we're going to do is, in this last month we are going to divide our preparation into 4 stages, right? So the stage 1 will be the foundation and the revision stage, and in the phase 1 or stage 1 itself you are going to focus on your 11th standard revision. I know the weightage is less compared to your 12th, but you still, since we are aiming for 99 percentile, we are going to complete the whole syllabus. We are going to focus on the complete syllabus. So in the stage 1, your focus has to be foundation and revision of the basics. In the stage 2, we are going to be focusing on the high weightage topics or the high yielding topics. Okay, the list, I'll give you the list of the high weightage topics as well. In the description box there's a link, you can download the high weightage topic PDF there, and I'll show you in the lecture further. So in the stage 2, the focus should be on the high weightage topics. Then in the stage 3, we will be solving some mock tests, and very important, the analysis of mock test. ऐसे नहीं कि एक मॉक टेस्ट दिया, 5 दिए, 10 दिए, ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ मॉक टेस्ट देते जा रहे हैं. You need to analyze the mock test and then you need to understand the silly mistakes that you are making in the mock test so that you don't repeat them in your final exam. Okay, and in the last stage, this is going to be almost 1 week before the exam. This will be last stage, 1 week before the exam. You will focus on revision and the final practice. Okay, and this is where you will also re-revise. I'm saying re-revise the previous year questions, right? So see, this is, let's just set our goals in the 4 stages. The first stage is where you will be revising the 11th concepts. Okay, since there is a break in your 11th syllabus, you need to revise them. Then you need to complete all the 12 topics that you missed out or that are difficult for you. In the stage 2, you will be focusing on short notes and topic wise questions, topic wise MCQs. Okay, then in the third stage, as I already said, mocks plus analysis, very important. And then in the fourth stage is a rapid revision, extreme revision in the fourth stage, right? So see, there is a huge importance of mock test in any competitive exam that you give. Okay, now why there is a purpose of these mock test. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ दे रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ mock test देके सिर्फ आंसर कितने करेक्ट आए, कितने रॉन्ग आए, ये चेक किया. Firstly, whenever you give a mock test, you are going to give the mock test in exam environment. What do I mean by exam environment? सब कुछ टेबल साफ करके सिर्फ आपका मॉक टेस्ट का पेपर, या फिर अगर आप लैपटॉप पे दे रहे हो, मोबाइल पे दे रहे हो, your paper and a rough sheet. Proper exam environment में you have to give the test. Okay, You have to keep your books aside, you have to keep your mobile phone aside, and without any distraction, with full focus in exam environment, you are going to give the mock test. Only then you will identify your weak areas. Only then you will identify the silly mistakes that you are making. Okay, so I would suggest, since there's a time constraint, you should at least target 20 plus mocks. 20 से ज़्यादा दे रहे हो, well and good, but at least 20 plus का mocks target, total mocks target should be 20 plus. Okay, next, see these are the high weightage topic lists that we are created. I will give this to you in the description also. So see, this is for physics. For physics we have divided into different topics and then subtopics. So first this is mechanics, then we have electrodynamics, this is for optics, thermophysics, modern physics, and some other topics. Okay, so now what is the purpose of giving these high weightage topics? The purpose is you have to focus on completing the basic concept of these topics. Then you will solve topic wise MCQs on these topics, and then you will create short notes or formula sheets. ठीक है, if necessary you will create short notes, but I would say create formula sheet, because there is time crunch तो है ही. You shouldn't now waste your time in writing like notes and making notes. Whatever you are going to make, you have to make short notes. And what are short notes? You have to just write the topics that are difficult for you, और ऐसे टॉपिक लिखने हैं जो आप भूल रहे. ठीक है, ऐसे टॉपिक्स का ही शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाना है. एंड देन फॉर्मूला शीट्स फॉर फिजिक्स, मैथ्स एंड ऑल्सो केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल फॉर्मूला हो गया, इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस हो गए, ये सारे का आप फॉर्मूला शीट बनाओगे. ठीक है, तो ये फिजिक्स का हो गया. अभी ये केमिस्ट्री का है. दिस इज इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, दिस इज ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एंड दिस इज फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री. ओके, टॉपिक्स एंड सब टॉपिक्स वाइज हमने डिवाइड कर दिया है. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री. अच्छा, मैथ्स का मैंने शायद यहाँ पे खोला नहीं है, बट डोंट वरी, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है पीडीएफ की उसमें आपको मैथ्स भी मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो ये है. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद जो हमने बोला है कि फ्री डेमो क्लास होगा कल March 1st को at 5 PM. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में वो गूगल फॉर्म का लिंक है, वो आप फिल कर दीजिए, और जो आप नंबर वहाँ पे डालेंगे उसके ऊपर आपको मीटिंग लिंक आ जाएगी. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, देयर इज अ स्मॉल सरप्राइज फॉर यू. वी हैव लॉन्च्ड आवर फॉर्मूला शीट्स and quick revision materials for the upcoming MHCET examination. I will just give you a glimpse of these formula sheets. So ये formula sheet है. तो देखो, ये physics का formula sheet है, हमने ऐसे अच्छे से बनाया है यहाँ पे. तो basically you have, see this is the formula sheet on circular motion. ठीक है, इसमें सिर्फ formulas है, all the important formulas that you have to remember. तो देखो, CET में mostly there are two types of questions. The first type of questions है जहाँ पे direct formula से आंसर आ जाता है. सेकेंड टाइप इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, तो मेजर फोकस जो ये है कि फॉर्मूला शीट, अगर फॉर्मूला आता है तो क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ द फॉर्मूला शीट. ठीक है, तो ये फिजिक्स का फॉर्मूला शीट है. दिस इज फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन, एज यू कैन सी सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. वर्क, एनर्जी, पावर इन सर्कुलर मोशन. देन दिस इज फॉर ग्रेविटेशन. ठीक है, तो न्यूटन्स लॉ है, ग्रेविटी, सारे फॉर्मूलेज, जो सारे इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज है, वी हैव कंपाइल्ड ऑल दोज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज इनटू आवर फॉर्मूला बुक. सो दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला बुक. दिस वाज फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन, दिस वाज फॉर ग्रेविटेशन. सो जो हम क्रैश कोर्स की बात कर रहे हैं उसमें वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद द फॉर्मूला शीट एंड द क्विक रिविजन मटीरियल. ठीक है, तो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू ज्वाइन द क्रैश कोर्स, सबसे पहले एक फ्री डेमो क्लास होगा, दैट इज ऑन 1st March, टुमारो. ठीक है, फ्री डेमो क्लास है, मोस्टली गूगल मीट पे होगा at 5 PM. ठीक है, तो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, देयर इज अ गूगल फॉर्म इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, तो फिल दैट गूगल फॉर्म सो दैट वी कैन सेंड यू द डेमो क्लास लिंक. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल दैट आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट. You have to plan in a very systematic manner so that you can utilize this 1 month, and as I already said, 99% efforts for 99% marks, right? So let's not waste any time. Make sure you're utilizing your time and keep away all your distractions. If you're done with your board exams, ब्रेक सिर्फ एक ही दिन का ब्रेक लो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के बाद, एंड देन स्टार्ट विथ योर MHCET प्रिपरेशन once again. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. I will see you all in tomorrow's demo class lecture. Otherwise I will see you all in the next video. So thank you so much for watching and all the best. Keep preparing, keep hustling.